This video might save you. You're not ugly. Your habits are. Touching your face. You rest your chin when you think. Rub your forehead when you're stressed. Most of the time, you don't even notice you're doing it. But here's what's actually happening. Every single time you do that, you're copy-pasting your entire day onto your skin. Door handles, your phone, your keyboard, cash, public surfaces. Your hands aren't as clean as you think, and your facial skin is the one paying for it. Yes, bacteria is part of the problem, but it's not the main one. What actually makes you look worse long-term is constant pressure and friction. That repeated rubbing slowly weakens your skin barrier. Redness, irritation, low-grade inflammation that never fully goes away. And once your skin barrier is compromised, breakouts happen easier. Healing takes longer. Your face starts looking off, not terrible, just permanently tired, even when you're doing all the right skincare steps. Studies show people touch their face hundreds of times a day. And be honest, you just touched your screen, clicked this video, and then touched your face, didn't you? It's okay, we all did. Go ahead, hit subscribe. Consider this your official confession. Irregular sleep schedule. You think sleeping enough is all that matters. Late nights, late mornings, as long as the hours add up. But your body doesn't work that way. Your skin repairs itself on a schedule. It is guided by hormones like melatonin and growth hormone. When your sleep timing keeps changing, that repair window gets disrupted. So even if you sleep enough, your skin never fully recovers. Dark circles linger, your complexion looks dull, and your face starts carrying that permanently tired look. Turns out sleeping enough isn't enough. You have to sleep on time. Bad posture, slouching at your desk, leaning over your phone, head tilted forward for hours. This is called tech neck. Every time you look down at a screen, the pressure on your neck multiplies. Your neck wasn't designed to hold that angle all day, so it adapts the only way it can. Muscles tighten, joints compress, your upper spine absorbs the load. You think it's just sitting wrong, nothing serious, nothing that shows on your face. But here's what's really happening. Every time you slouch, you're folding the skin on your neck again and again. Not once, not occasionally, thousands of times a day. That constant bending creates creases right where your skin is thinnest. At first, they fade. Then they stop bouncing back. Those folds turn into permanent lines. Your neck wrinkles faster, your jawline softens, and your face slowly starts to drift downward. That's why people with bad posture often look older, even with great skincare. So don't blame aging, don't blame genetics. Your posture is quietly undoing everything. Hot showers, every day. That hot water isn't just washing dirt away. It's stripping your skin of its natural oil barrier, the invisible layer that keeps moisture in and irritation out. You don't feel the damage right away. That's why it gets missed. Your skin feels tight after showering, then dry, then sensitive. You moisturize more, but it never feels like enough. Fine lines show up sooner. Your face looks dull and tired, even though you feel clean. Once that barrier is gone, your skin can't hold water. Moisture evaporates faster than products can replace it. Healing slows down. Redness lingers. Inflammation stays low enough to ignore, but high enough to age you. Relaxing, yes. Skin-friendly, not even close. Frequent coffee drinking. Everyone thinks it's productivity, a morning ritual, an afternoon pick-me-up. Sometimes the only thing keeping you functional, but everyone doesn't realize this. Caffeine is like wringing water out of your body while keeping your brain stuck on go. And no, one cup isn't the issue, it's the constant cycle. Your skin slowly dehydrates, your lips dry out faster, your face loses that soft, hydrated look, and your complexion starts looking a little more tired. Caffeine also spikes cortisol. That means more inflammation, more oil imbalance, and breakouts that don't quite make sense. And then there's your teeth. Coffee stains don't show up overnight. They build up cup by cup, until your smile looks duller than it used to. Not drinking enough water. You don't feel thirsty. You feel busy. So you keep going. Your skin notices before you do. It loses bounce first, then glow, then that soft, rested look you can't quite explain. Dehydration doesn't show up as a problem. It shows up as a vibe. Your face looks dull, your eyes look tired, and fine lines suddenly feel louder. You add skincare, you blame sleep, you blame stress. But your skin isn't confused, it's just dry. Biting your nails, no one thinks it's a big deal, because it's small, quiet, and easy to hide. But that's exactly why it's dangerous. Every time you bite your nails, you're doing two things at once, and neither shows up immediately. First, you're damaging the part of your nail that decides how it grows, not the tip, the root. So over time, nails don't just look shorter. They grow uneven, rough, weaker than they should. Second, you're turning your hands into a direct shortcut from everything you touched all day straight into your mouth. Keyboards, phones, Public surfaces, it's not dramatic enough to scare you, but it's consistent enough to show. And then there's your teeth. That constant pressure wears them down slowly. Not enough to notice today, just enough to notice years later. That's why nail biting doesn't make you look ugly overnight. It makes you look permanently stressed. Chewing gum excessively. It's not invisible, it keeps your jaw switched on all day. Constant chewing tells your brain to stay alert, even when you don't need to be. Your face holds tension without you realizing it. Your lips press tighter. Your jaw looks more rigid. Your expression stays slightly clenched, even when you're calm. People don't think you chew too much gum. They think you look stressed. And here's the catch. The moment you stop chewing is when you realize your face forgot how to relax. Teeth grinding. You don't even know you're doing it. It happens while you sleep, when you're stressed. But your face feels it every morning. That constant clenching keeps your jaw muscles working all night. They grow tighter, heavier, and slowly change the shape of your lower face. Over time, your jaw looks bulkier, and it's not just your jaw. Grinding wears down enamel, shortens teeth, changes your bite. You wake up tired without knowing why. You didn't age overnight. Fun fact, you spent your sleep fighting yourself. Lack of sunlight exposure messes with your skin's internal clock. Without regular daylight, your skin doesn't know when to repair. Cell turnover slows, circulation drops, your complexion loses warmth and glows and starts looking dull and tired. You can sleep enough. You can do all the right skincare steps and still look like you haven't fully woken up because your skin isn't missing a product. It's missing a signal, daylight. So if your face looks tired for no obvious reason, it might not be stress. It might just be that your skin hasn't seen the sun in days. In conclusion, harmless habits don't ruin your face overnight. They quietly make you ugly. If one of these felt uncomfortably accurate, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.